I've got some deliveries, and this time it is from IG Cafe. IG Cafe is one of the few authentic Taiwanese restaurants here in Cebu. And now, they are bringing here in Cebu what Taiwan is known for, the jumbo chili and pepper chicken chop steak. Whoa, this is really big. They are also bringing braised pork belly with mushrooms and soy egg. You can have this chicken chop for 180 pesos only. You can add tofu nuggets for 95 pesos and tofu fries for 90 pesos. And this braised pork belly with mushrooms and soy egg for 125 pesos. And stuffed meatballs in rice noodles for 120 pesos only. Strawberry juice with strawberry bits and popping pearls for 125 pesos, as well as this avocado and nata in cream. And of course, Taiwanese meal is never complete without Tiger Black Sugar Boba ice cream. Mga onata guys, of course unahon din ako ang chicken chop. See how big it is. Murag mas dako pa siya sa kuang naong. And I don't know, even this tofu, pag open lang din ako sa package, it has a smell. Sa kanagaling when you go to a Taiwanese night market, naa siya nga nangabaho. I don't know, it might be the herbs that they are using. You can add on also this Taiwan style crunchy pickles. And now let's give this braised pork belly with mushrooms and soy egg a try. Honestly guys, this is one of my favorite Taiwanese dish. Kaya mura siya humba nato, pero mas sweet siya and mas tasty good. And it's really perfect. And naulahi ang stuffed meatballs in rice noodles. Well, excited na jud kayo ko sa chicken. Perfect. And the meatballs is really so sick. Excited for the strawberry juice with strawberry bits and popping pearls. Popping pearls jud kaayo siya. Pero balikan sa ginato ang chicken guys. I really like the spiciness too. And I'm putting this last avocado and nata in cream. So what can go wrong? It's like a milk tea with avocado. So, tayong for bottoms up, murag feel na ko mahurot gyud din ako siya in one go. Mahuway gamay, and yes, na-finish gyud na ko. You can have this Tiger Black Sugar Boba ice cream for 355 pesos only if ever you purchase 2 drinks. And please don't forget to follow me in all my social media account and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!